Hey, Bryn here with a quickie, or actually not so quick. Now normally this is a very short video where I explain to you how you can find your appliance model number, essential for ordering spares and accessories online. Now on most appliances this can easily be found, but this is a fitted hob, many of which can be found in homes around the UK, and not an appliance model number can be found in sight. Now it doesn't matter if your hob is gas, electric or induction, you probably won't find the model number anywhere on the top, and that's because the model number is underneath, which means getting to it might be tricky. How you access it will depend on your specific kitchen layout. Now if you have a setup like this where the hob sits on top of a cupboard, or in this case a drawer, you can simply remove it and have a look. Now, with the drawer out the way, I can get underneath. Now, what I'm looking for is a sticker, and I'm pretty sure I can see one here, but a top tip for you, rather than rooting around underneath, take out your mobile phone and snap off a picture. Bingo. So what are the alternatives if your hob isn't above a drawer or a cupboard? Well, in some cases your hob can simply be lifted out of the fitting. However, you won't be able to do this if yours is a gas hob or if it's secure with brackets. And if that's the case, or if your hob is above a fitted oven, that can make access even trickier. So for further assistance, I recommend giving us a call or live chatting with one of our service team at indesitservice.co.uk.